Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the camera is powered and the correct USB type. This matters because adapters can block data. Once connected, use a rear port or a powered hub to avoid flaky power. Make sure your laptop displays a detection notification. If it asks to install drivers, allow it. You'll want to pause until the device shows ready. This first step prevents connection errors and saves time when you move to software configuration. Once the OS detects the camera, check drivers. If automatic install fails, download the latest driver from the maker and install it. Next, open your camera app or video conferencing software and choose the USB camera as the input source. This ensures you're not using the built-in webcam. Make sure app permissions allow camera access. Then set resolution and frame rate appropriate for your upload speed and CPU. Adjusting these prevents choppy video and overheating. You finish by testing. Record a short clip to confirm video quality and audio sync. Playback will show issues immediately. If the camera fails to appear, disconnect and reconnect, try another USB port, or reboot the laptop to clear hung drivers. Make sure cables are secure and powered hubs are active. If problems persist, open Device Manager or System Settings to verify permissions and reinstall drivers. This step resolves most recognition and permission errors and gets you back on camera quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.